So what exactly do digital marketers do? Perhaps you're asking this question because you want to embark on a fulfilling career in this profession, or perhaps you're a business owner trying to figure out why you want to hire one of these digital marketers in the first place. Well, digital marketers wear many hats. They essentially perform a series of online marketing activities to help create brand awareness, build a customer base, and generate revenue on various digital platforms. Some key functions of a digital marketer include setting marketing goals and objectives, identifying suitable online channels to reach customers, planning marketing campaigns, launching marketing campaigns, analyzing data to optimize marketing campaigns, taking steps to improve ROI. Alright, now that you're a bit more familiar with what a digital marketing professional does, let's take a general look at how digital marketing agencies price their services. There's the hourly rate, which would entail paying the agency by the hour for the services they provide. The rate they charge you would depend on their expertise as well as the scope of the work they're undertaking. Then there's the monthly retainer, which is when you pay the agency a fixed sum every month in advance. So this pricing structure is ideal if you're going to be working with the agency for the long term. Performance-based compensation is a fee you pay to the agency only if the agreed upon desired outcomes are achieved. Project-based fixed rate with add-ons would entail paying the agency a fixed amount for a project based on a set of agreed upon tasks and a timeline. Any additional services that are required or requested midway through the project would then be charged as an add-on. The percentage of ad spend pricing model is sometimes used for digital advertising services. This means that the agency will be paid based on a percentage of the client's ad spend budget. Finally, a mixed model pricing structure would essentially be a blend of the various pricing structures we've just discussed. This is especially useful when digital marketing campaigns have a mix of services in one project. We've come to the end of Learning Unit 1. I hope you found it useful in kickstarting your digital marketing learning journey. In the next learning unit, we'll take a look at digital marketing funnels.